We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on customers. It is how we earn our great reviews and how we will earn yours. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.